All right, so what we have here is a 2017 Harley-Davidson Softail. Nice little silver dollar sized dent in the right side of the gas tank. It's fuel injected, but we can go right through the filler lid, and we got perfect access to it. Anyway, let's take some steps and how we're gonna get through this and get this thing out. All right, so we got this silver dollar sized dent. We're gonna get in behind it with this big black tip through the gas lid right here, massage it out, and finish off with a smaller black tip. I'll show that next.